Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. This is going to be just a video on using the beef goulash that I did for January. I have some egg noodles I'm cooking for the thicker Amish kind, and I'm going to cook some fresh broccoli to go with it. Here's what it looks like. I wish there was more sauce almost, but I'll add some water and cornstarch, and I did snitch a piece, and oh my. These are the noodles I'm using. I had a partial bag left, and these are from Shipshewana. For those of you that are familiar with Shipshewana. So they're a thicker egg noodle, but otherwise I would have just used the regular wide egg noodles that you get in the grocery store. Now I did can, see there, venison and ground, this is venison sausage actually. I did can those, so I have 16 jars to go downstairs, but I still have more venison left, and I'm going to do that for sure with the goulash. This I did add like a little bit of liquid to it, a brine that had garlic and onion powder and water and salt and a little bit of brown sugar. I think that'll be really good for the game. Not that I don't find venison gamey, but I think it will give it a really good flavor. Drained them, added some butter, some parsley. I could add some more parsley. And I need to add some pepper. Then this and the broccoli, and I messed up. We'll go with the goulash. I want to try dumplings with it. I'd like to try making spätzle too, but this is after work, part of the pantry challenge, and it's going to be, I think, a good dinner. I mixed up some water and cornstarch. I don't know if any liquid will come out of this for me to mix it with, so I might just have to add it to the whole jar, which is why I didn't want to do a roux. Some liquid did come out. I'm going to add the cornstarch. And I can add more paprika too, if I want. I'm going to thicken this up. Just bring it to a boil and keep stirring it until it thickens, until it's all combined and cohesive. It takes a few minutes, just keep stirring it and it will become nice and smooth. Then we're going to put in the rest of the meat, well, all of the meat. And I had to scrape out from the bottom, and there was a lot of spices and good stuff in the bottom of the jar. So now you can see it's getting nice and thick, not too thick, and it will be great on top of the noodles. This is ready to serve. I think it looks really pretty. Here it is served up. I did add a dollop of sour cream because when I was looking it up, I saw some people did that, and it did add a nice little zip to it. I did sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper on my bowl too, and it was really good. Let's do a taste test. If I can get this in my mouth. Incredibly tender, fall apart, great flavor, not too strong. If you wanted to add some of the hot paprika when you process it, you know, I think it would work. You could do a half and half, or if you really like the hot stuff, use all hot. It's great with noodles though, and there is flavor.
the meat has so much flavor. And I truly think that's from rolling it in those spices and browning it that way. So I highly recommend this recipe. Yeah, it's a good one. So this weekend, guess what I'm doing? I'm going to be canning some of this with venison. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.